Welcome to a speculative blueprint of future Auckland 2038. Auckland public transport has long been Auckland's greatest issue for decades. There are so many research out there could give the insight of how this problem happened. The Auckland CBD will continue to have the highest population density, increasing from 4,600 people per square kilometers in 2006 to over 30,300 people per square kilometers by 2031, almost 3 times the 206 population density. Population of Auckland is projected to 2 million in 2033. Although technology is going to occupy many jobs by the time of 2038, city centre employment have been increased to 25% from the past 12 years, and the employment growth trend is going strong and continuing. A recent research on completely autonomous vehicles to improve traffic flow and to reduce congestion indicates that at least 50% of vehicle transition to CAV is required to achieve the desired benefits, and this 50% transition will not be possible until 2050. Auckland planning will change dramatically in the future. Auckland Port with its current capacity will not be able to cope with the demand due to future growth of cargo flights. A recent feasibility study to move the future ports of Auckland to the south area, Manukau, is recommended. The Auckland rail system is seen to expand its network. By 2030, the Auckland rail network will have 6 different lines, including Auckland CBD Loop, Airport Link, North Shore Line, and the East Tamaki Line. There will be 3 new large residential developments in the North Shore, South Auckland, and West Auckland. In addition, tertiary students and staff of tertiary institutions in Auckland form a part of the large group of Auckland transport commuters. According to the research, a prediction has been made. The continued rapid growth of Auckland population and new satellite towns built in the North, West, and South Auckland require a new transport system to accommodate the needs of a huge number of commuters to and from Auckland CBD. Auckland Port is relocated to Manukau Harbour. There are over 150,000 tertiary students and staff in Auckland. Auckland traffic will greatly improve if these 150,000 people do not require travelling to Auckland City to study. With this concept in mind, we have designed to build a tertiary academic island located between Devonport and Rangitoto Island, outside of Auckland City. All tertiary institutions in Auckland will be relocated to the island, of which the area is about 1.5 square kilometers. A new railway system is to build to interconnect the new satellite towns, Auckland City and the academic island. The academic island is a new site for all Auckland tertiary institutions. It is a floating island. There are numerous research and projects on floating infrastructures. For example, Water Studio in Netherlands, found by architecture Cohen Autos. The Sea Steady Institution Floating City Research, and many more. Each individual floating platform foundation is pre-reconstructed and then joined together piece by piece at site. The tertiary campus is then built on top of the floating platform. The purpose of a new rail system is to transit a huge mass of commuters from one place to another efficiently. The new rail system has adopted a high-speed rail system driven by vacuum and air pressure, aka to the flight rail. The system is powered by renewable energy. It is therefore eco-friendly, no pollution, and more efficient than conventional railway system. The speed can be as high as 320 km per hour and can carry 10 carriages of 10 passengers up to 1,000. Taking into consideration of the users in mind, we have developed a concept of a non-take-off interchange train system. How this works is that passengers will not need to take steps out of the train to transfer to another train or other forms of public transport. The train system will collect the destination of the user, and when the train comes to a stop, both trains will snap and connect together, allowing passengers to transfer over to the next train seamlessly. Numerous studies have revealed public transport users show resistance to transfer or interchange due to inconvenience such as long waiting time and extra walking distance. Our new rail system provides a smooth journey and reduces the cost and time wasted in transfer and interchange. Interestingly, there are 2 research questions come up in my head that might have significant impact to the future society. 1. What if no younger people ages between 17 and 22 will not go into the Auckland CBD anymore, since they only need to go to school and the area they live in can provide all the needs? 2. Will it cause city separation? The city will have 5 major areas for living, studying, and even working. Will the disconnection by each other become a city by itself?